I hope I never see in black and white the contra, and that I only live in color just like Wanda. I said let that sage burn slow, it makes a halo, a portal for love and healing all your days though. I hope I never see in black and white the contra, and that we only live in color just like Wanda.
Lately I've been dreaming of us, and I don't wanna wake up, I don't wanna wake up. Tell me, am I enough? Are you giving up? Are you giving up? Tell me if I fall, will you pick me up? Will you pick me up? Always give you my all, is it ever enough? No, it's never enough. Wanna ask you to stay, while you walk away, it's how you look at me. Watch you walk away, why I beg you to stay, it's how you look at me. What the way you're looking at me, what do you see? There's no way I'm looking at you, feel your beauty. Lately I've been dreaming.
I'm Jennifer Hudson-Prenkert. I'm the founder of Sounds of the Zoo Music Festival. Thank you. So this is my third year. I'm still here, which is really cool. This festival runs 7 days, over 8 locations, over 50 bands, and it's free for the community. We're celebrating diversity and inclusion and putting awareness to mental health and sustainability, creating change through music, and my goal is to make Kalamazoo and Michigan at large a music place, music destination. Right? Thank you. Thank you. Which I think those of us that have been in the community a long time know that. I mean, we have all the things. It's not like I'm inventing something that is here. It's just trying to reconnect. But what I really want to do is turn a new page where we really work together. I think that we realize coming out of COVID, we're still healing. We're still figuring our way out. And these experiences, this is our first night doing a hip-hop experience.
Lift your voice, 'cause we don't have a choice. Just know you're not alone. We're gonna bring you home.
Sometimes you gotta protect your kids, but that doesn't mean fighting the battle you win. Whenever I look into the sky, I think of all of the lives.
So long as you know that, no, I'm not your buddy, baby. I'm not your buddy, baby. Long as you know that it ain't been about nothing, nothing that's you out of win, baby. Long as you don't know that if my people want it, I'ma get it where it can.
Really talking about what can this culture look like of hip-hop in our community and really set a new, like a standard, if you will, where this is like normal, right? All types of music. So when you come to Sounds of the Zoo, that's the goal, is that you're going to see all kinds of music. I want people, like when I look out here, whether you like hip-hop, jazz, it doesn't matter, folk, rock, it's like just to have an experience of something live is really important, and to feel that energy and to meet within each other. I'm sure there'll be new friendships made. I've already had some, and rekindled, and it's beautiful. And this needs to go on all the time, not just at Sounds of the Zoo, right? But know that Sounds of the Zoo is a platform to be used for the greater good.
What Jennifer is doing with Sounds of the Zoo is so important, because let me get my sermon on. But like for real though, like local music, like is so important. Music in general is so important. I know we go to concerts for celebrities and all that, but the heart is right here, in your city. A lot of this music is literally saving artists' lives. So make sure y'all support. Go to the hip-hop shows. Go to the local hip-hop shows. Support, man. And that's my time. Y'all make some noise, man.
Here we go. Yeah. Throughout my bloodline, I see power. My people heavy off in these streets. The village understood the assignment.